Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SakerPlus Powerful Bed Vacuum Cleaner. There are features include 36,000 vibrations/minute for deep mattress cleaning. SakerPlus Vacuum for Bed Mattress tackles debris buried deep within fibers where standard cleaning cannot reach. High-frequency vibrations loosen stubborn particles, allowing powerful suction to extract them for a more thoroughly refreshed sleep surface. 149 degrees Fahrenheit hot air function for a fresher fabric environment. The SakerPlus Powerful Bed Vacuum Cleaner incorporates a gentle hot air flow designed to help reduce common fabric irritants. This feature assists in maintaining a cleaner feel on your mattress, sofa cushions, and other upholstery after each use. Smart LED indicator provides real-time cleaning feedback. Move the SakerPlus Bed Cleaner Machine Deep Cleaner across any surface and instantly see its condition. The integrated light ring transitions from red to blue, visually confirming when an area reaches a cleaner state and ensuring no spot is missed. Consistent 16,000 PA suction with a washable, reusable system. Experience a strong and steady clean from start to finish. The SakerPlus Mattress Vacuum Cleaner features a dual-cup design that helps maintain optimal suction power, and its fully washable components eliminate the need for replacement filters. Lightweight 4.19 pounds designed for effortless whole-home use. Easily lift and maneuver the versatile SakerPlus Couch Vacuum Cleaner from room to room. Its portable design is ideal for deep cleaning not only couches and mattresses but also curtains, car seats, and other fabric furnishings. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.